what it is.
It's a circle. And these are, what are these?
Triangles.
Triangles. And these are diamonds. And these are stars. And these are ovals. These are squares. And these are rectangles. And these are hearts. Mom!
Can you do the small, medium, and large, please?
I don't kind of know these ones. I just know these ones.
Well, practice your triangle then, because you forgot the word triangle. Chuckles, are you helping?
Look, Mom.
Here.
You can draw anything that you want. Mama, look. Look, I draw the triangle.
Good job, buddy.
That's a heart.
Beautiful chuckle booties.